Hello, everyone. Welcome to Whimsy Creek Art. All right, today I have an exciting one. I have the Shelee art bloom technique, or this is inspired by her technique. I did not take the course. I hope to someday take the course, but this is my own recipe. And what I'm going to do is I've got 3 6x6-inch ceramic tiles, and I haven't really done anything to prep them. I wiped them down with an alcohol swab just to get, just rubbing alcohol, just to get any dust or anything that might be on them. All right, so I know the Shelee art technique. She uses pillow paint, and I have just used my regular old paint that I've mixed with Floetrol. This is actually an apple barrel color, apple barrel paint, and it's blue cotton. And it's just mixed with Floetrol, and that's it. No water, no silicone, nothing else in it. And I have here 2 different purples that I mixed up that are cheap paint brand. And again, they're just mixed with, have a little bit of water and Floetrol. That's it. And I'll link down below my paint pour recipe. So all 3 of these colors so far are exactly how I would normally mix it. But this white, that's my cell activator. So it is my special recipe, which I will be doing a video this next week just specifically on the cell activator. So now I'm just going to blow the kind of an abstract flower design here. And you can see how the white across the top really activates those cells. There's no silicone in the other 3 colors, but I do have a couple of special ingredients there in the white, which we will call the cell activator. But the other 3, the pillow paint and then the 2 purples I use, they're just mixed how I would normally mix my paint with Floetrol. And that's it. Nothing special added or anything. It is just that cell activator that I've put a couple of special ingredients in. And these dry so nicely. No worries about cracking or anything like that. And so I've got quite a few videos coming up with the bloom technique. And these are kind of inspired by Shelee Art. And I will tag her or put her link down below. Check out her channel. Amazing, beautiful, beautiful pours. Super talented. I hope to someday take her course. She does have a course on her technique and exactly how she mixes her paints and her special recipe. But for now, I'm just kind of winging it and mixing them myself. But I'm not putting anything special in the 2 purples. They are the cheap brand, CHEEP brand paint. And if you've followed my channel for a while, you know that that is actually primarily what I use. I use that cheap brand a lot. I just love that paint. And so it's the permanent violet, and then I did add a little bit of white. The permanent violet just by itself is the darker color, and then I added a little bit of white to get that lighter purple. And so then I have the cell activator on top there, which I'm just blowing across the surface. And I've done this now on canvas. I've done this with a couple of different colors for my cell activator. So next video here in a few days will be a cell activator that is black, and that's really pretty as well. So it's just amazing to watch these. The white still in the middle kind of even continues to sink a little bit, and it really is nice. And soon I'll also have a video doing some of these blown out blooms where I'll spin them on the turntable or the cake spinner. So here I'm just putting again down, some people call it a pillow paint, but it's just mixed up like I mix any of my paints, and it's apple barrel blue cotton. And then I am just spreading it with a palette knife. And then I'm going to add the other 2 purples and just continue just like I've done the other ones. So I can't wait to share my recipe for that cell activator. And that is that top, the white. And so I will have that recipe out, that video for cell activator, probably within a week. But yeah, I've been having a lot of fun with these blooms. So I'm excited for the upcoming videos. The next few videos will be blooms. Let me know if you would like to see blooms in any certain color. I'm also experimenting and doing the swipes and different stuff with this new cell activator recipe. So there's different techniques, lots of different techniques we can do just using this cell activator. So let me know if you would like to see any certain color combinations, techniques done with the new cell activator recipe I've been experimenting with. And I do want to mention I am in the U.S., so my paint is mixed up with U.S. Floetrol, and I have seen some beautiful art pieces mixed up with the Australian Floetrol, but I have the United States Floetrol, and all of my ingredients are just things you can readily get available here in the United States. So I'm excited to share that, and I'm really excited that I'm just using the layers in between, the pillow paint and the layers in between are just normally mixed up like I normally do with Floetrol, nothing else added but maybe a little bit of water depending on the color to get it to the right consistency. So it is only the top layer, which we call a cell activator, that I've added in a few special secret ingredients. But I won't keep that secret too long. I will share that with you very, very soon. So subscribe to my channel and like this video, and pretty soon I will have a video out on my cell activator recipe. All right, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great weekend or the rest of your day or evening wherever you are in the world. Thank you so much.